Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
Good evening, Samadhan.
Good evening.
Good
Good evening,
evening.
sir.
So, as of now, many of the students are still joining. So, we'll wait for 5 minutes and then we will start with the session. Okay,
Okay.
I will be back in 5 minutes. Hello, everyone. A very good evening to all.
Good evening, sir.
Good
Good
evening.
evening, Arindam. And so many of the students have joined, and all 6 5. So, let's start with the session. So, before starting with the class, let me introduce myself first. So, my name is Mohit Kaushik, and I am a digital marketing trainer. with approximately of 6 years of experience in digital marketing industry. Over these years, I have worked across various domains of digital marketing like social media, SEO, and more, which I will be sharing the things with you till this 1 month program of digital marketing. And for the last 5 years, I have been involved in training and mentoring students and professionals. Right now, I am working with the Digital Dronacharya Private Limited and MSME Government of India. And till now, we Digital Dronacharya have trained more than 50,000 students. And at Digital Dronacharya, we train at Digital Dronacharya, we give trainings about the digital marketing things and AI things, basically. Apart from that, we have another venture that is T3M Academy. That T3M, you can say, the manifest market method, where we teach about the trading, stock market, forex, and all. So that is another venture. But let's stick to our part that is about the digital marketing. So that's a brief introduction about me, and I'm keeping it short because we have a 1 month so that we will be known each other. Also, one thing that if you want to stop your video, you can stop it. There is nothing. Okay, and also mute your mics, anyone, so that there will be no disturbance while I'm teaching. Okay, so if anybody has any of the doubts in the whole sessions, okay, you can note it down. There's nothing like I will not be answering them. But the thing is, if I am, teaching you something or explaining you something, and you come up in between, I will be disturbed, others will be disturbed. The best thing would be like, when I am explaining, just stick to this part, focus on it, and if you are not understanding that part, just note it down, keep your notebook with you, and take the notes as well while I am teaching you, so that after explaining that part, you can directly ask me. And at the end, we will also have the session. Okay, there's nothing like 1 hour 30-minute session. If it goes 10 or 15 minutes above, there's nothing wrong. Okay, I will be there to assist you in all the time, at all the time. Am I understood, everyone? Just when I
Yes.
am saying is it understood or anything, just say yes, no, so that, because see, we are in the online class, and I wouldn't be able to understand your expressions, what expression, face expressions you are making, so that you have to you know you have to say it, like if you understood it or if you know. That will be very interactive for all of us, because with that we will be active and engaging. So shall I start with the session?
Go ahead, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes.
nice.
Yes.
Thank you. Also, before starting, see, I'm also seeing the comments from you all, and I saw the comment of one student, that is Jareen. She's from our past batch, and she told that she's from 3-week digital program of ours.
Yes, sir.
So
How are you, sir?
I am fine, Jareen.
It's nice meeting you
It's a
again, sir.
yes, yes, it's a pleasure that you uh, you know rejoined us, and we will be happy to give you more things before that.
Yes, yes. Yes, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, so let's start, everyone. I am sharing my screen. Okay, so my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So first of all, before starting, let me give you a brief about the digital marketing thing. So digital marketing is basically, in a clear words, you can say we are marketing, or we are giving the awareness of our product, service, or people. Okay, also add people now. We are giving the awareness of our product, service, people to the world, to the market. Simple. Okay, there is nothing like the word of sale. Okay, like some of you might have the misconception or things like in marketing we have to sell something, we have to sell a service, we have to sell a you know product. There is nothing like that. The one thing is we just need to market it, means we just need to give the awareness of that to as much people as we can. And through digital marketing, in which we involve the you know Facebook, Instagram, and we have the Google ads, Google part as well, and we have the content. Through content, we can give the awareness. So these are the platforms that you will also learn about the things. So, but one thing is, when we are marketing something, there is a core thing, that is a creative, a graphic, right? Like you might have seen, you all have been scrolling on the Facebook, Instagram, or the YouTube. You have been seeing the product. So you are seeing the product picture or the graph poster as well, like a sale is going on. So how to create them? Okay, first thing, you need to know this thing, because if you don't know how to create a poster, how to create a banner, how to create a creative, basically, how will you market something? So this is a core thing. Am I understood? The core of the digital marketing. Yeah,
Yes.
nice. Thank you. So in graph, first we will learn the graphic designing, and we have all the syllabus with us of this 24 days, that is a 1 month basically. So first thing we have is graphic designing and the digital marketing industry. Okay, so graphic designing is, sorry, so digital marketing is understood to all, like what digital marketing is, and the some platforms of it, that are Facebook, Instagram, and we have LinkedIn, and we have an X platform. Earlier it was Twitter, and we have Snapchat as well. Apart from that, we have Canva. About Canva, is anyone there who knows about Canva?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so we will use the Canva, and when you search on the Google, the first website it will appear. Just click on that. You don't need to download the Canva application on your laptop, on your computer. Okay, you just need to go to the Chrome and just search Canva there, because it's a web applications. It's a web thing, so you don't need to download them. So after opening the Canva, mine is a older, I have an existing account on the Canva, but you can, when you open it, if you are new to it, it will ask you 2 3 questions. That is, who you are, professional, student, or anything. You can just enter professional or student, whichever the thing you want, and you can also skip the parts. Up After that, you will see this same interface. Okay, so on the Canva, see, we knows Adobe Photoshop for the creative. Everyone, you know about Photoshop,
Yes, sir.
and you also know that Photoshop is a great tool for the creative, right?
Yes.
But in the market, we also have Canva. And people say that Canva is a very, not Canva is not useful. Canva can't make the designs. Canva can't do this, can't do this. But there is nothing like that which Canva can't do. Okay, it's a myth. What happens is, when there is a big enterprise, when there is a big player in the market and some smaller player comes to play, so people say that big one, the older one, will be more beneficial and have more features. But in actual, if you use the smaller one, the newer one, you will find more options there. Okay. See, the today's era is all about the AI, artificial artificial intelligence, right? So Canva have integrated all the AI tools, most of the AI tools in it for the creative part. And with that, we can create the designs, more better designs, even even better from the Photoshop. But one thing is, you just have to know how to use it. Okay. See, what happens is, we can use Photoshop. There is nothing like that. But if you go for a Photoshop, if any one of you have used the Photoshop, you might have seen there is a thing that if you want a circle, if you want a square, you have to make it. You have to create that square or circle. But here in the Canva, you have all the things with you. You have the designs, pre-designed, pre-designed posters that are called templates. Okay, so how will we know? Let's start it. The interface of it. See here, we have the search option from where we can search the designs of ours that we have created. Like here, if I scroll, you will see the recents. So these are the recent designs of mine that I have created. But you will see an empty thing here because if your account is new, okay, you haven't created anything. And here in this line, in this row, you will see the magic layers grid. That's a AI feature. What happens is, if we have a design, we can just upload it here and it will, and after uploading it, we can redesign all the elements. Means it segregates all the designs from the picture. We will see this. There's a learn grid, and in the learn grid, that is how to, English language arts, science, maths, social studies, basically for the kids or the school going or the teachers to create something like presentations, videos, posters. We have the templates here, pre-designed things. Okay, we can change anything in that. And after that, we go to the home again. We have the presentation here. So we can create the presentations here. We have known using the, PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint from the very long time. But in PowerPoint, you have seen there are only 10, 12 themes from the past of so many of years. But here, if we go to the presentation, and if we go to the presentation on the left hand side, you will see so many of templates here, so many of designs, themes here. You can select anyone. Okay, like this one we have selected and click on apply all pages. See, all the pages have been here. Your presentation is ready. You just need to change the content only and nothing else. Okay, we will see how to change these things, but let's see other as well. Like you can create here social media posters. Like if we click on that, you will see Instagram post size, that is 4:5, Facebook post, Instagram story, WhatsApp status, Instagram reel, Facebook cover. And as you are seeing, we also have here the sizes of each of the platform. Like on Instagram, the post goes with the 4:5 size. So here it is. And on Facebook post, the size is different. On Facebook cover, the size is different. So if you create a design, you knows where you are going to post it or where you are going to upload it. So you will select the same size first, then at the end you will not regret that the size is different and now what to do. Like if you're creating for the Instagram post, just click on that and you will have the same size that goes on the Instagram, and nothing will be like, there will be no thing that the size has been taken wrong. Let's see other options here, that is video. So you can create the videos here as well: landscape, mobile, Facebook, Instagram reel, YouTube video, YouTube ads, collage video, LinkedIn video ad, and more. We'll see that part as well in the future. Print shop we have. So in the print shop, the thing is you can print out the things, like choose a product, customize your design, enjoy free and fast delivery. Means there are all the designs. Let's suppose there is a business card. So here 475 rupees for 50 cards. And for the invitation, 350 for 25 invitations. Posters from 450. Means you are designing a thing, and and Canva will print it for you and deliver it to your address. But the thing is Canva charges more. Okay, so we will not print anything from the Canva. We can print it out from the third party things. Next we have the docs here. So doc is basically the same thing as MS Word. So if you click on that, you will have the A4 size sheet here, or and in that you can type it out your things just like the MS Word. We will not use that here. That is not that much useful. Okay. Next we have the whiteboard. That is not still that is not useful as much. What it is, we can just let's see. If you are teaching something or you are explaining something and you want a whiteboard to write on that, like a smart digital board, so you can use a white space from it and nothing else, just a whiteboard basically. Okay, create sheet is same like Excel sheet. And in the website part, you will be able to create the website banners, website backgrounds, and all the things. Like here, like see here, this template I have applied this, apply all pages, and as you can see, the first page is here, the website, and the second our services page. Basically what happens is you are designing your website's layout, that we call the front end base. Okay, so some of you might have known about the front ends. So basically this is a front end which can be visible by the users. So see, all the sizes are given here, but if you want a different size or you want a new size, you can just choose a custom size here. Width and height, and here we have the unit, that is pixel, inches, millimeter, and centimeter. We have the upload option. So through upload option, just upload file, and you can upload the files from your computer. Like we have so many of the files here, just open it and you can just use in a new design it. Okay. After that, we have the more option, that is the same like for you, presentation, photo editor, videos, printable, docs, sheet, custom uploads, and all. It is same. And if you create anything, you will see all the things here in the recent part. If you scroll down, and in the left hand side, you will see this class. You will not see. Okay, you might not see this. See, I have a pro version of the Canva. So Canva has a two things, a free version and a pro version. But there is nothing like you cannot work in the free version. You can do a lot of things in the free version. As I still know, when I started my career in this thing, in this field, I used Canva for almost, Canva free version of the Canva for almost 6 to 8 months. I haven't purchased the pro version, because what happens is when you go for the pro, you created a mindset in your brain that only pro things can be, only when I pay something, only then I can create something. But there is nothing like that. Okay, you are here, you have paid something, that is all done. Now you don't have to pay anywhere. We all, through all the sessions, we will work on the free tools. Okay, because if you work on the free tools, if you have created your mindset like that, that I can work in the free, I can work that like that, I can work in the free versions, I can work in the free versions. Then when you, after all the things, all the year struggles, when you have the pro version, you will deeply known how to use that. You will be known how to create something beautiful from that. Okay, because you have created, you have been through the part where you haven't used the pro version, so you know the things from the very deep. Okay, so we will not use the pro version here. I will also not use the free version here, pro version here, sorry. Okay, after that we have the projects option. So in that, the same like earlier, the recent things or the projects that you have created, it will be shown here. And after that we have the templates. So templates, same, that is pre-designed posters, pre-designed videos, and all the parts. So here in the templates, you can directly search for a, search for a topic, like let's search here digital marketing. Okay, so after, when I search here digital marketing, you are seeing this crown, gray crown. So if you search, you will see this as a golden crown. So basically this is a pro version and I have the pro, that's why it is showing me this gray thing. But you don't have pro, you will see the golden one. Now here after the pro, you see the free version here, the free templates. We have so many beautiful templates here as well. The banners we have, and if we go down, we have the presentation here as well. Okay, and another presentation here. Let's suppose, let's search here another, that is finance, if anybody is from the finance. Okay, and we will have the finance topics templates here as well. The presentation, how to manage your finances, investment and financials we have here, and so many of the presentations. If we go down, we will have this thumbnail, basically YouTube thumbnail you can say, and these posters we also have. The carousel we also have. Carousel is basically a continuous post of 5 to 6, more than 2 posts. Okay, so after that template thing, we have the brand option. So brand is same, a pro version of the Canva, but we will see what a brand is, but in the future, not now. After that we have the more option, that is Canva AI. So can ChatGPT, and if all of you knows ChatGPT.
Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, so same like ChatGPT, Canva also have introduced its AI. So you can type it here, any of your idea, any of your questions, and it will answer you. Also, it can design, it can generate an image, and it can code for you even. Okay, like if you wanted a code for a application, like wanted to, let's say, want to create a calculator app. So please give me the code of it. Okay. And due to your organization's domain policy, basically I have the pro version. That's why some of the features are not available here because of the organization's things. But I will show you in the free version it. Give me a second. Just give me a second here. Okay. So here in the left hand side, you can see the Canva AI is here. Let's type it again. Give the code to create an app of calculator. And it is saying I will create a calculator app for you. So what happens is Canva can even give you the code of everything. Okay. So if anybody has the knowledge about the coding, they can understand it. I don't have any of the background regard, in the codes, and even I will not be able to know if it is giving me the correct code or not. So if those who knows about the coding part, they can know, because I am a person who works without the code. Okay, I can create a website without the code and all the parts, application as well. So we will see that thing. It is generating, but you will see it. After that, in the more option, we have the print shop. Print shop is same like in the earlier part we have seen. Then we have the apps. So apps is the thing that you will be very happy to know, is because the apps here have all the AI tools which will help us in all the part. Like here, bulk image upscaler, like have an image is in a blurred part, it will upscale it. And Heijan avatars, basically AI avatar, AI talking avatars in the videos. LinkedIn, like polish post straight to LinkedIn. And if we go down, we will see more applications here, more AI tools like text embroidery. Like you can see like this. Like if you wanted to know if there is you know, a shirt is there, and if we embroider it, how it will look. So you can take a look from that. Okay, you have all the things here. So many of the AI tools here, like voice generation, audio generation, and the song generation as well. We have so many of the tools. Okay, so I hope till now you know what the Canva is and what is in the Canva. I hope it's clear.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. So now let's go with the Canva designing part, like how to design the things in the Canva. Let's see. So we go to the home here, and to start with your designing part, we will select the social media. Okay, we will start from the basic. So with those who knows about the Canva, there is nothing like you will not see more options. Okay, today we will see the basics, but after that you will know a lot of things. So in the Instagram post 4:5, we will choose. And in the left hand side, see, in the center we have the working space, and in the left hand side we have the first option is templates. Template is basically the designs that we can use to, you know, recreate, or we can use for our marketing or for our purpose, all the purposes. Let's suppose here search for the travel. Okay, so after searching for the travel, we will have the travel templates here. Let's say, let's choose this one. Okay, just click on that and your template will be here. So after clicking, the first thing you will see here, the template style. Okay, like here, and if you click on that, see the colors will change. I click on one time again and one more. See, the colors are changing. So everyone,
Yes.
so after choosing the template, the first thing that you need to do is change its color. Okay, from it. Because if you choose a template, there might be a thing that another person is also choosing the same template. But if you change its color, it will look different part. Okay, it will look at something different from the earlier one. So in the template, so you can choose the template here. After that, we have the elements. So in elements, we have all the options, all the things that we need to create a design, basically. Okay, like if you need a shape, you have it. You need a graphic, you have it. A 3D thing, that is for the videos part, basically. Animations, we have photos, frames, grades, videos, audio, mockups also, the charts, sheets, tables, everything that you need is here. Okay, like this is a template and you wanted to create it from the scratch, like here add page, and you have this blank space. Now you wanted to create the same, all you have to go to the element first, then you need to go to the text to add the text in the, like this text you have to add. So you can just click on add a heading, add a subheading, or below you will have the font combinations as well, like that. Let me do it again on it, like this. Okay, get ready with me. So you have a different font combinations as well that you can change. Okay, we'll see how to change. After that, we have the brand option, that is for the pro thing. After that, we have the uploads. So here we can upload, click on upload file, and we can upload the pictures on it. And after that, we have the tools option here. So in the tools, it is similar like the paint applications that we have used in the computers to draw something or all. But like here, draw, my drawing is not good. We will not, I will not draw here. If anyone wanted to try it, they can try. Okay, after that we have the projects. So in the projects you will see the projects that you have created, means same recent files basically. And the apps that we have known, like all the apps, we can use it while creating the design. Okay, so let's start with the designing thing. We have chosen a template, we have changed the color, and the first option we have is the text. So in the text, we have above strip, you will see all the elements, all the options. First is font. You can change the font. Like you can see, the font is changed. After that, we have the size option, plus, minus, or directly. You can just click on that and you can click like that. Or another option that we have is this, these four dots you are seeing, the corner rounded dots. Just go to that and you will see this option, stretching in or stretching out. Just left hold it and stretch out, and the size will be big. Stretch in, the size will be small. After that, we have the color option of the text. So we can use the color, change the color here, two shades of the color basically. And after that, we have the plus. If you wanted a different color, a new color, just go to this, add a new color, this color rainbow. And here we have the solid and the gradient. Gradient is basically two colors. Solid is a single color that you wanted to try by yourself. The which shade of the which color. Okay. And after that we have the bold, italics, underline. Underline. See, we will not underline any of our text in the designs. Never. Okay. Note it down. You will never underline any of your design, any of your text, because underline trend was the very long time ago. Now no one underlines the text. Okay, we while creating the text, while creating the poster, okay, while creating the poster, you also need to be trendy, like what people are actually seeing, what they wanted to see, what are attracting them. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
nice.
Yes, sir.
After that, we have another option that is strike through. So, can anybody let me know what's the use of that? What it can be used for?
It can be
Anybody?
used. No.
To striking out something.
Yeah, but why we will use to strike any
To
text
show
here?
that the text is incorrect and there is another text
Discounting.
Any
which is
discount?
correct.
Any discount?
Okay. See,
Discounting
one
the rate.
or two person came here for the discounting. So that's a perfect answer. Okay, for the discount. Suppose Kerala is here. Okay, it's a wrong. I don't want to show the Kerala. Okay, I can change it directly. Why to, you know, like here. And this simple. Why to strike it out? Our post will be very big. It will be very congested. But the main thing is why it is used for is for the pricing, for the discounting thing. Like we have a earlier we have a price of 10,000, and now we have a price of 7,000. So we can just, like here I write 10,000, I can strike it out and just making it smaller like this. Okay, and making this as well like this. You are seeing me like how I'm moving the elements, how I'm moving the text. So it is from the left hold. Now here the price is 7,000, but it is not striking out. And I will increase the size of it and decrease the size of it. See, like earlier it was 7,000 and 10,000, now it is 7,000. So that is the use of strike through. So let's get back to the earlier thing. Yeah. Next, we have the uppercase, means all the letters will be capital. Smaller means the letters will, lowercase means smaller letters. Means the first let means the letter that you makes the capital will be capital, others will not be capitalized. Next, we have the alignment, that is right, justify, left, center, right. Okay, this is the text box. So where will be the text placed, in the right side, in the left side, or where? So basically we have to align all of our parts. Like see, this is the alignment. All the text in the right hand side. So the alignment will be right hand. Because if we put it like in the left, you can see it directly. One is this, one is here, one is here. It will not be aligned. Okay. But if we make all the text in the right, if it is the right, it is done. But see, let me do it again. I select this one to the left, this one to the left, and this one to the left. Now, see, this is here, but we can drag it to here. And the below part we have to move out. Okay, these photos we have to make them in the right hand side now. So how you can do that? You can just left hold, okay, like this. Left hold and drag. Just like you select the multiple folders in your computer at a once. Just go to the outside of the design, left hold and drag. Okay, it is done. And you can just drag it to this side, but the text is also dragged, so you can just make it here again like this. And you can just drag this Kerala here as well, and this let's go as well. Okay, but this is still not still congested, feeling congested, so we can just select it again and we can drag it a little bit smaller, below part, and then this part above. Now see, this is left out, so we'll see how to do this. See, I am selecting it, but it is not selecting this circle. The text is selected. So how we will do, we will see it next time. In the more options we will have, okay, we will see there. So after the alignment, we have the list option for the bullet points, for the numbers, and one more click, it will be disappeared. Next, we have the advanced setting, that is letter spacing, space between the letters. And next we have the line spacing as well. So that is lines spacing between the lines. And next we have is transparency. So basically, see, when I am making it, decreasing it, you will see the difference on the Kerala. So what is happening, everyone, here?
Sir, it is getting disappear. Like when you're decreasing the transparency.
Yeah, it is disappearing.
Yeah.
Right. Very nice. So basically, transparency is, it will make any of the element transparent. Means you can see the sorry, you can see the below part of it as well, what's behind the element. Suppose this is a picture, I just drag it here, and give me a second. Okay, I will show you how I'm doing this, but first let me do it. See, I have dragged this picture here. Kerala is not visible, so I will click on that picture, and you are seeing this option transparency same. I am decreasing it. Now what's happening is, I am able to see the Kerala, and the picture is also visible, less visible, but it is visible, right? So this is the option of transparency that help us to see behind an element, or making the visibility of an element lower. Okay, understand, everyone?
So, but we can as well put that somewhere nearby. Why only like to mix up both we need?
What, ma'am?
No, sir, like you brought this design and
Mm-hmm.
you made it somewhere aligned near Kerala.
Yeah.
So, both are visible when you
Yes.
do this transparency thing, both are
Mm-hmm.
visible. So, what it will help a person to perceive.
See, that will I will let you all know.
Uh-huh.
But first, my motive is to clear all the options to you.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, sir. Sorry. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah. No, no, don't worry. What happens is, if you know what an option is doing, you will be able to know that, right?
Uh,
But suppose if I am transferring it and you don't know what's the use of effect, Okay, we have the classes. I can just show all the things. I can take it slow. But what happens is,
Huh.
if I only explain you transparency and left out all the options, you
Yes.
will be, you know, struck out in a thing that what is the use of it, how we can use it. It is
Okay.
left out.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so
Thank you.
that's why let's first clear the things, and you can
Thank
note
you.
it down,
Thank you.
this transparency part, like where to use,
Okay.
and I will know you all. Okay, so after transparency we have the effects. So in the effects we can add the, like here I am zooming it, you can see the shadow effect is there now. Earlier it is not, but after drop it is there. Okay, and we can change the color of the shadow as well, like this. Okay, but the shadow only is in the black color, so we will use the black. After that we have the glow option as well, the echo option. In the echo you can see one, two, three of the text, three shadows. Outline we can use, so the thickness will be lower, the outline color will be white, and you see the outline is here. So we have so many of the effects here that you can use. We have the curve option as well to curve up text, but we will not do here. Next we have the advanced text, Leon, light, static, TV static, and more. So you can try it out by yourself, not to go for the apps as of now. Okay. Next we have the elements. So element is, sorry, really sorry. Next we have the animate, not element. So it's an animate. So in the animate, our text will be animated, like you can see. Okay, but we are creating a static post, not a video. So element animate is only visible in the video form, so we will not use it here. But when creating a video, we will use it. Next, we have the position option. Now, it's the most important option that you need to see or you need to focus on. Now, what is a position? So basically, position is an option from where you decide or from where you can make an element on the top of the side and the back of the side. Like here, this is the picture. I put it here, but the picture is in the back of this Kerala, but I want this picture to be on top of the Kerala. So I can just select the picture, go to the position option, and here in the range we have the option of forward, backward, to front, and to back. If I put it a forward, you see this. It is in the front of the Kerala. But if I click on the backward, it is in the back. But if I put it on the to front, it is in the front of Kerala and then this text as well. But to the back, it is going out. It goes. But what is happening is in the to back, the picture is in the back of all the elements. Like here in the background, we have this image as well. And if I remove it, you will see this image is still there. So I just press the Control Z to undo all the things. Yeah. So it's clear the position option, like what's the use of it and how to.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. Sir, for that, removing the position actually, did you just remove the background thing, right?
Your voice was not audible clear. It break down. What
Sir, I was saying that, like, how did you just remove the background of the picture actually?
background of the picture?
Yeah, like right now, I mean, few minutes ago.
I haven't removed the background.
I mean, not background, like you explained the let's explore, right? So when you remove this, no, I mean, the whole picture, when, yeah, this way. So
Yes.
how did you remove it actually?
Okay. Okay. See, and this is the background picture. Okay, I just clicked on that and I just left hold it and drag it. The
So
picture
like
is still here. I just moved it a little to show you that the other picture is still here.
yes, sir. Understood,
Uh,
sir.
okay. If you have more doubt, you can note it down and you can ask me again. Okay. There is nothing like you cannot ask again. Okay. So let's go ahead. We have the last option, that is copy style. So copy style is basically we are copying the style, not the text or not the other thing. See, we change the font, the size, color, effect, and all the part we have done in on the Kerala text. Now we wanted the same thing to be happen on the Let's Explore. So what we will do is we will just single click on the Kerala, go to the copy style, click it, and now we have this paint brush, right? And we go to this, like Let's Kerala is selected here. Sorry, Let's Explore is selected here. Just click on it and see, it is here. Just make it smaller from this one option, three and these dots, four dots, and in the middle you will see these rectangular points. Okay, you can just make the length, increase the length, and it will be in the one line like this. Clear? The option of copy style, like you
Yes,
have
sir.
used
Clear,
it
Yes.
sir.
on design, so you can use it on the other designs as well. And you don't have to remember what's the font, what's the color, what's the effect, what's the size. Okay,
Okay, sir.
done. So the text options are done here. Next we have the options of the images. Let me just undo all the things so that we have the clear part. Now see, before the image part, we were doing this. See, this circle is here, but it should be here, but it is not selectable. So what we will do is we will go to the position. We have selected this, you know, text, so we can make the text up backward, and it's not selected. We will make it backward again, and you can see here it is selectable now. So what happened is basically this text was on the top of it, right? And the box has this rectangular thing, so it is below that, so you cannot select it. So that's why we what we have done is we have gone to the position and we have making the elements array backward. Now we have selected this, we can just drag it here, simple way, done. And this one as well we can select here. This is a heart, so heart should be in the red shape, red color, so we will select the color to the red. Done. I hope it's clear what was done here in this circular part and this.
Yes, sir.
So
Yeah.
after that,
But could you re-explain the forward? What was it? Forward and to front. What is the exact difference between those two buttons? You're bringing it to four, right? The text, but there are two buttons which say forward and bring it to four or something. And the same thing
yeah,
with backward and send it back. So I'm a little confused there.
see basically what is the thing, forward and backward is a one step,
Hmm.
two front and two back is a all the steps. Okay, like see, it is in the front of all the elements now, but if you backward it, it is
Hmm.
backwarding one element, and if we backward it is
Oh.
again one, and one element at a time.
Hmm.
But if you're
Okay.
making it two front and two back, it goes in the front of all the elements and back of all the elements.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
done. So
Yeah.
let's move to the other parts, that is for the image. So let's start here. See, first is edit. So in the edit, we will see the tools like here. See, these are the AI tools basically. After that, we have the style mesh, that is scrapbook, sketching, doodle. You wanted to add on that, filters you wanted to add, and the shadows that you wanted to add. But we will not use them as of now. And then we have the BG remover, that is in the pro version, but we will see the free version as well. Eraser is also a pro version. And then we have the color, that is a transparent. It is saying, so basically this is an image, so there will be no color, it will be transparent, because if we choose a color, it will never not be a image, it will be a shape. After that, we have this stroke. So stroke is basically the borders. Like here, I choose the one, and the borders are here, and the dotted border, more dots and more smaller dots. And this is the weight, means the thickness of the border. So we will only use the first border if we wanted to, and we will not use a border. But after that, we have the, see, when you select a border, you can change its color as well. Like this is the border part, stroke 1. For it, you will see the stroke color. Here you can change the color of the stroke. It is changed. And then we have the corner rounding, means rounding the corners of the pictures. Like you are seeing here, like see, corners are rounded like this one. Okay, I hope it's clear. You can how to do this stroke, border and corner rounding. So when you are using a picture, always round the corner a little bit. Okay, a very small little bit, because now the woman mind has developed, like they are not liking the sharp things. Okay, the new generations, they are not liking the sharper things, they like the smoother things. Like this image, okay, the corners are rounded now, it is looking smoother. But if you remove the corner rounding and you see, the corners are sharp. Okay, so these sharper things are not liking by the current generations. So that's why we round the corners a very little bit, even if a very little bit. Okay, so that it is likable by everyone. After that, we have the crop option. So in that, you can crop the picture, like see which part of the image to show, this one or this one and this one. So that is up to you. You can crop it, like select it and go to the crop option, or double click in picture, it will also crop. After that, we have the flip. You can flip it horizontal, vertical, and the next we have transparency, that we knows that it is making the transparent image. Effects is same like the shadow, glow, glitch thing. Like here, you will see this glitches part, and then we have the radioactive, the chromas, laser, like here. So, but with the images, the effect option will not be that much useful. Only this glow or drop will be more useful. Then we have the animate, that we knows that is animate the image, but we are not creating a video, so we will not use it. Position we all know, and the copy style, it is similar like the text one. Like see, we have added the border and the color of stock, all the things. Now we wanted the same on this picture, so just click on copy style, go to this one, and it is same. Okay, I hope everything is clear till now.
Yes.
Perfect.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Done. So before moving forward, I am giving you 5-10 minutes. You can check out the Canva and these options. Okay, you don't need to create something. You just check out the options. Okay, after that, we will see these elements option and the text option as well. So just check it out, everyone. If anybody has any doubts, you can ask in the meantime.
This last one you told, that is a bit I am not understanding, sir.
Which one?
That copy,
Copy style.
copy style.
Okay. So do one thing, ma'am. Open Canva,
Okay.
select the social media post, Instagram post 4:5, and try it out.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
That is why I'm giving you 10 minutes, all the 10 minutes, because if you use it by yourself, you will understand it more better.
Sir, I did not understand how to change the border color. Like I clicked on the borders, there is the skip button, different types of borders, but where to change the color?
Yes, to change the color, see, this is the border part. To change it, you have to select this one first before it. Okay.
Sir, the stroke color is not coming on my Canva. Like there is only that wait.
What?
Yeah, it is not coming. On my Canva, there is eraser option and then directly borders option. The stroke wheel is not coming.
First, you need to add a stroke. Then the color option will be there.
Oh, okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. And yes, Ananya, right? You can use the PC for the tab as well. There's nothing. Okay, we can also, all of us, we can use our mobile phone as well and the tab as well for the Canva, because Canva is very friendly for all the parts. But the thing is, the options will be here and there only. The positions of the options will be changed.
Sir, uploading the photo on the Canva, is there any limitation?
No, sir. There's no limitation. You can upload as many of the photos.
So yesterday I was trying, but it was not happening. It was not allowing to upload the picture.
What error it shows?
It was not showing any error, but it was not uploading because at a time I uploaded 10 photos, but only 5 was accepted and it was showing there.
You can try it out today. Okay. There might be some glitches yesterday.
Okay, but there is no limit, no?
Yes, sir. There is no limit.
In free version, limit or not, sir? In free version, there are certain things that we cannot do now.
What, Mohammed?
In the free version of Canva, we have some restrictions. Like we can't use multiple pictures at a time, or we can't add.
No,
So
there's
is it
no such thing. You can use as much pictures you want to. The only thing is there is a limitation of using the templates. There are so many of the templates or so many of the graphics that are in the Pro, so you cannot use those. But you also have a lot of the free version, free photos, free templates and all.
Okay, sir.
Okay, just try it out first, everyone. Because if you
Okay, sir.
don't try it out, you will be having so many of the doubts. That's why I give you 10 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. First see, use it, and then come up with the doubts.
Sir, like you selected all the 3 images on your PC. So on tab, how do I select all 3 of them?
I will let you know all, okay?
Okay, okay.
Sir, what is the cost to purchase the Pro version?
What, sir?
Personal use?
What, sir?
For using personal Canva Pro, using the Pro version for Canva, what is the cost of that for personal use for a year?
I will know, sir, at the end, okay? first use the Canva. Okay, only 5 minutes are there for you all. Just try it out. At the end, I will cover all the doubts, but use it wisely. No,
So at the end, you will just repeat the whole class. I joined little late. I'm sorry for that.
no, ma'am. At the end, I cannot, explain you all the class. You can, some little brief I can give, and you can use, see the recordings as well.
You will be sending recordings to us.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes, everyone. Are you done with using the options? Like, have you tried some of the options?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, shall I move ahead?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you
Okay, done.
can.
Thank you. So, see, we have the template. We change the text. We change the formatting of it. We change the, images formation as well. But let's see how to add a new image or how to add the new elements. So basically for adding the elements, you need to go to the elements option here. Okay. And here in the search bar, you can directly search like Kerala is here. So I searched Kerala. And in the graphic, we have the so many options here. You can see graphics is here. So in the graphics, we have graphical stickers, you can say, for the Kerala part. Okay, like this one, this boating thing we have in the Kerala. So we can use this here, or we have others as well. Like see here, pro are also there and the frees are also there. So we will only use the free part. So as you can see, we have so many of the free elements here. The only thing is you need to search out. Okay, you need to search it out, or we can just see here. I am searching here travel, so we can also add like these planes as well. These are the pro, but we will have the free as well, and like this one, this free version is here, or this free version we have, and we can just move it out. Okay, just flip it out. Okay, horizontally we have flipped out like this. It's looking nice, right? Next we have the photos, so we can use the photos of the travel. Like the pro are here, so we will not use the pro, we will use the free. Now let's see, you wanted to change the image of this. Okay, you wanted to change this image. So what you need to do is, you will just, if you click a single button on it, you will see the picture in the center. Okay, and you can just left hold and you can drag it to this one. Like, see, you are seeing the image is changing, right, in the lower image part, and if I drop the left hold, it is changed. Okay, let me do it again. See, just a second. Yes, we have this image, so a single click and the image is in the center. I can just left hold and drag it till where you wanted to set it down, like in the background, in this, or in this. And we have another option, that is, we can just directly drag, like left hold the image and drag it directly to here. Okay, a direct drag. You don't need to click on that, and after that you need to move. Just drag it directly, like drag and drop. And if you wanted to change the background picture, just drag and it is changed, so drop. Okay, it is changed, so we drop it here. Again, let's suppose this is the background, you wanted to add this image, just drag and you will see the image in the bigger size, drop it. But what happens now? All of our elements have been disappeared. So what is happening here, everyone, is the position of this image is in the top of the other elements. So what we will do is, anybody, what we will do?
Position it backwards.
Undo.
No, we will not undo this. We will go to the position part and we will make it 2 back. Okay, 2 back. So because the picture is needs to be in the background, so background is in the 2 back, so nothing will be behind the background. So we have done this, and you can see what this template was earlier and what it is now. Because we have changed the images, we have changed the positions and colors. Done. After that, we have the audio option, sorry, videos option here. In the videos, we will see the videos of the travel, but we will not use because we are creating a poster. After that, we have the shapes here, but there is no shape of the travel. Travel is basically travel. So for the shape, let's search shape and goes to the shape here. We will see the mathematical shapes, the rectangle and the circle, square, more and more options. Arrow is also there. Okay, now you can modify these shapes according to your needs. Suppose you wanted more height, done. You wanted lower height but more length, done. Okay, like if you wanted to add it here, we can add like this, and we can make the position to the backward and then one forward like this. Okay, we can change the color like this. Done. As you can see, the shape is there. And you wanted to change the color, you can just click on the color and the color is here. You wanted to add the stroke is here. Wanted to change the corner rounding, the transparency, you can do like this, effects, animates, and all the things. Now see, it is changed as well, and now it is more visible than the earlier. See, and we have a different new design here with us. So is it clear, everyone, how to add the how to add the pictures, graphics, the shapes and all?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So after the shapes, let me do one thing. Yes, let's travel again. We have the audios option as well here. So audio is basically we will also not use because we are creating the post. And then we have the frames option that is left out, the important one. So for the frame, see, frame is basically the same thing frames we use in our house for the pictures, right? Like we create the photograph in the circle, we created the pictures in the triangle, in the rectangle, in the square. So that is the same thing. Like here, these are the images that is in the square format, portrait format, but we wanted them in the circle. So what we will do is we will search the frame in the elements. We will search the frame, and here we have the circle here, or we can just go to the frames. Okay, the circular, click on that. The circle is here, and we can just smaller it or bigger it like this one, and we can add the image. Suppose we are in the Kerala, I search and go to the photos here. We have the Kerala photos, just upload, drag it and drop it there. Done. We can just add the stroke to it as well to make it visibly appealing like this. And if you wanted the same shape again, the same size, we have here the duplicate option. Okay, we can just duplicate it. We have it here, and we can duplicate it again. We can put it here like this, and we can change the images in them like this, drag and drop to this one, and again we'll have another that is drag and drop to this one. Done, everyone. Now you can see a different design from the first one. So how is it, everyone? Understand, everyone? Everything is clear to you all?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
understood.
Yeah, yes,
Understanding.
sir, it is clear.
Sir, I had a doubt.
Yes. Who has a
Uh,
doubt here?
how did you change the shape of the frame?
Okay, shape of the frame. So basically, we go to the elements here, we search for the frame, okay, and here in the frames we have so many of the shapes, frame shapes. Okay, these are the frames. Just remember, if you see a scenery type here in a box, then it is a frame. Like I choose this triangle this time, and you can just lower it, increase or decrease with these four dots in the corners again. Okay, just place it where you want it to. Simple.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. And next that we have is the text option. Let's suppose if you wanted to change the text font or wanted to add more text in it, so just add a heading, add a subheading, whatever the thing. There's nothing like you can choose a heading or subheading is here. Okay, you can just directly add it. Let me choose edit here, my name, or I have added it here as MSME. We can just bigger, smaller, and the same options are we have. Okay, clear everyone? Everything is clear to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and after that, see at the top, you will see this option, that is untitled design, or you will see any of the text written here like that or anything. So you need to change that. Okay, you need to change it to travel post, because we are creating the posters for the travel. Okay, it is basically the naming for your folder. Okay, always name your design, because if you name your design, then at the canvas home you see this search option, then you can just directly search here travel, and you will see the travel posters. Okay, this travel poster, the travel post that we have created till just now, so you will be seeing this. But if you don't name them, you will not be able to find. Like here, see how so many of the designs here. See this. Okay, this is just a team, but if I change it, let me do it for you so that you will be naming all the things. Here my team is this, and see this, the designs designs. So how to find the your exact design that you wanted to. So for that you need to name your uh, you know post, you need to name your designs. Okay, it is the most important part of the designing, because you need to know where your design is actually. And after that the font is designed. Just if you wanted to design a one more, you can just directly click on the add page, and wanted to add more, you can click on add page one another. And added a template here, just go to the template, choose another template here, and the third, click on the third page and select the third template. But we cannot use the pro version here, we can just go to the third one. Okay, and change them. So what you need to do, you need to change the location. Okay, this is your homework all. Select the Instagram post from the home, like here in the social media, select the Instagram post for is to 5, and then search for the travel templates. You need to create two posters. Okay, two posters on the travel. So selected a template, change the location, like from the Jaipur trip to, so let's change it to Delhi trip. Okay, then if you have changed it to Delhi, you need to change the font color, and after that you need to change the images as well to Delhi. Okay, and here you see from Amber Fort to City Palace, these are from the Jaipur, so you need to change them from to the Delhi as well. Like you can add here from India Gate to Qutub Minar. I hope it's clear what you need to do.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay,
So
so this is your work, and apart from that, do one thing. When creating the posters, do not choose the social media again and again. Otherwise, your poster, one poster will be here, another will be here, another will be here. Just select it one time, and if you have gone it back, you will see this in the recent designs. Open that and click on the add page. Simple thing. Okay, you can create so many of the posters in it. But if you are naming it to the travel, you only add the travel poster here, and wanted to start a new one, let's suppose for the festivals, just go to the Canva home again, go to the social media again, add another post, name it to the festival here. Okay, here add the festival and change it, use it. Like here you will see the, if I refresh it, festival is also here. So that's all from my end. If anybody has any doubts, you can ask. I am here and open to. Yes, there was a doubt in the middle that when will record session will be uploaded. So you will find the recording session tomorrow. Means if there is a class today, you will find the recording session tomorrow in the afternoon. Okay, and how to change the background, Sabita. Okay, two more questions are also there. Just a second, everyone. Show how to add the photos from our gallery. So to add the photos from your gallery, I will show it tomorrow, because for the today it is enough for you all. First, use the Canva, and if you know how to use it, then you will find it very easy for the tomorrow's part. Because if I put all the things to you in your head in a one day, you will not be able to process it. Okay, we will go one step. So the homework is to create two posters. Okay, you can write it down as well. Create two posters in the size of Instagram post 4:5, and the topic will be travel. Same topic.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Ayan, for submitting it, I will let you know tomorrow. Okay. Because there are some things that needs
So,
to be done, like how to submit and all. So I will show you tomorrow how to submit it to me.
sir, one doubt is there. Sir,
Yeah.
actually, through this session, I was there. Like,
Mhm.
sir,
ಬಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ 7:40 ಆಗಿದೆ ಸೊ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದனால இன்னைக்கு
Which your audio is what? Okay. So
sir.
yes, Arindam.
Sir, one doubt is there actually. Sir,
Mm-hmm.
during this session, actually, I'm there and also attending the class right now. And also,
Yes.
sir, in between, like right now, I mean, few minutes ago, I was having some internet unstable. So yeah,
Okay.
sir, can I just like how the recording, sir?
Mm. Your, I think internet is still unstable. What recording? I didn't got your point.
Oh, I don't know. So, sir, the thing is
You
that
can type it in the chat.
in between, like right now, I was having some internet unstability.
Yes. I think you are saying like when will be the recording sent? So Vipra Singh has answered the query maybe. So thank you, Vipra. Like the recording will be sent tomorrow. Okay, in the afternoon. Okay, clear? Yeah, done. So
Yes,
anybody any
understood.
doubts? More doubts?
Hi, sir. This is Arun Kumar.
Yeah.
Actually, tomorrow, what is our Homework, sir. Tourism, Delhi. We have to create two posters.
Yes.
And from social media, we have to pick the poster.
Yeah. From the not from the social media, you have to pick the poster. You have to make it in the Canva in the size of
Oh,
Instagram post. That is a social media. Yeah.
Instagram post. Oh, fine, sir.
Yes.
Fine.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
So both the posters should be of Delhi, or we can choose any
No,
one.
no, different. You can choose any of the location. The only thing
Okay.
is you need to make it on the travel or tourism.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You can choose any locations. Okay. So I hope all the doubts have been cleared. And Nalini, you can use the recordings that will be sent tomorrow because I cannot, not be able to process or able to teach you all the things in this part. One thing that I need to know you is we have used the Canva for the graphic designing. You can just open the Chrome browser in the search for the Canva there. You will see it. Okay, it is very easy friendly. You all can be able to use it.
Okay, sir.
No, Sabita, there are no changes in the timing of class. Okay, everything will be if because there is nothing like till now the timings have been never changed. Okay, so thank you so much everyone. But there's a one thing that I need you from you all is a feedback for the today's session, like how you find the today's class, everyone.
Yes, yes, sir. Fine. But we are in nursery stage, no, sir. So
Sir,
we are nursery. We'll try to learn more. Thank you.
See, you are actually doing so many of great things, sir.
Fine,
Actually,
fine.
what happens is there is a time when we, start something new. But in fact,
Agree.
we all know that this is something that we can do,
Fine,
right?
fine,
If you
fine.
believe that we can do, then you can do.
Fine, fine,
Okay.
fellas. Sir,
I am
any
giving you
doubt?
help from nursery to KG or first class.
Fine.
Yeah.
Okay. Sir, this any doubt has come, I can get from Chat GPT or Google. It's a how to use this tools and all. This
Yeah,
from
yeah, you can
Canva.
get the help from them as well. But
Fine,
if you
fine,
have,
fine.
can't find the help, you can also connect me on the WhatsApp.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Hello, sir.
Sir, you will be answering on WhatsApp all the questions?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
We answer all the questions on the WhatsApp.
So you were saying about something about 4:5 size. So what was it exactly? I didn't get it. About the
Ma'am, 4 is
posters.
to 5 size, like it is our Instagram post, so it can fit in any picture. So like while you sell an Instagram reel, it can fit in the mobile phone, inside the mobile phone. So that is called 4 is to 5.
Thank you so much, Arindam.
Yeah, so,
I hope the doubt was clear.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
yes, sir. And also, sir,
If you don't mind, could you repeat what
I'm
you said?
See, what
Canva and
happens
everything, sir.
is,
So like
Arindam, I think you were saying something.
Yes, sir. I'm aware of Canva and everything, sir. But the Instagram post, I'm not used to it. So, sir, mostly I just use it uh, for presentation.
Arindam, your
Or
voice is breaking a
making my
lot. I'm
wall.
not able to understand your questions.
So yeah, I'm other tools and everything. For me, that because you have taught me about Instagram posts. Sir, right now, is it audible?
Your voice is breaking, Arindam.
Okay, your voice, you can type it out in the chats. It will be also very useful for me because I can see all the questions there, all the comments there. Okay, but if you just all speak up at one time, I will also not be able to understand. Attendance is calculated by joining, like when you join the session, attendance is auto calculated there. Okay, I hope everything is clear to all, and now let's end the today's session.
Fine, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Tomorrow we'll catch you.
Okay, tomorrow we
Thank
will
you, sir.
be there. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's meet you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
இல்ல உங்க பஞ்சாயத்தை பிடிக்கணும்ல இப்போ இப்போதான் களத்துல இறங்கணுமே.
Thank you.
Yes, Nabiha, you can log in from the device, like you can from the laptop and from sometimes from the phone, but make sure your name will be the same as you wanted on your certification.